Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to customize your Ecwid store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be able to log into your account in the upper right corner. So if you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one. And after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this homepage right here where the left side screen. You can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started customizing our store. Basically guys, everything you need is right here at the left side screen. You have your sales option for your orders, you have your catalog for managing your products. So from here you can manage all the products that you are selling in your store. So this is all going to enable it. But basically guys, for your customization, for changing the theme, how your store looks and so on, we're looking for the design option right here. And the design option, you can change the look of your store. As you can see right here, we can take a look at how everything looks. You have the image and video sizes, image and video aspect ratio, and so on, and all the product info, how it's going to look. So you can go ahead and design it however you prefer. Then you have your preview store option right here. Take a look at how your store is going to look. All the info that you need is right here. You can even go ahead and create a theme that you want to use. You can manage different themes that you want to use and so on. So everything you need is right here that you can get started with. You can even go into the settings option right here, go into general, where you can go ahead and change your themes and everything you need to make your store look how you want it to. And basically that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.